In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best bike repair stands available on the market. We researched web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the bike repair stands list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the bike repair stands mentioned, be sure to check the description. Subscribe to our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, Wheel Repair Tools Rims Correction Stand. This tool offers a convenient solution for correcting and calibrating bike wheel rims. With precision in mind, it's designed to efficiently address issues like misalignment or warping in bike wheels, ensuring optimal performance. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, this stand provides a stable platform for precise adjustments, enhancing the overall riding experience. Number 4, Bike Wheel Truing Stand Repair Tool, perfect for cyclists who prefer to maintain their wheels at home. This truing stand facilitates accurate wheel straightening. Crafted with durability and usability in mind, it accommodates various wheel sizes, including those of MTBs and road bikes. With this tool, cyclists can effortlessly address wobbles or unevenness in their wheels, ensuring smoother rides and prolonged wheel lifespan. Number 3, Sturdy Wall Mount Bracket Bike Stand. This wall mount bracket offers a secure and space-saving solution for storing bikes. With a robust design capable of supporting up to 20 kilograms, it provides a stable platform for mountain or road bikes. Its clamp mechanism securely holds the bike in place, making it ideal for storage or service purposes. Say goodbye to cluttered garages or cramped spaces with this efficient bike storage accessory. Number 2, Bike Repair Stand Aluminum Alloy. Engineered with professional-grade aluminum alloy, this repair stand offers durability and portability. Its adjustable and foldable design makes it a versatile choice for bike maintenance tasks. From minor adjustments to complex repairs, this stand provides a stable and ergonomic workspace, ensuring convenience and efficiency for cyclists of all skill levels. Number 1, Bike Wheel Truing Stand Calibration Stand. Designed to meet the needs of bike enthusiasts and mechanics alike, this truing stand doubles as a calibration stand for precise wheel adjustments. Compatible with various wheel sizes and types, it allows for accurate corrections of rim imperfections. Whether it's for routine maintenance or addressing specific issues, this stand offers reliability and ease of use for enhancing bike performance.